Hello everybody, what's up? We are back in another video of an ad care meeting. But oh, you look so scary. No, not really. I
I
just got the
cannot.
gym.
By the way, Asher, I just read your message that you're super angry to me.
Yeah, baby. Hey, Erica, I
I'm
just
sorry
got.
because I thought you were busy. You're doing assignment, so I never called. But do you know the truth, Asher?
Yes.
I keep one. I use the phone and I check the messenger. I keep always first looking your messenger if you have messages. But I said, well, you don't have any messages. So I just said, oh, maybe this boy is doing assignment. He's busy.
Very, very good. Hey, Erica.
No, I'm not gonna make it because I don't wanna distract you.
Yeah, Erica. I just got the grimace shake. Yes, it's so delicious. The thing
No,
is
that's grimace chick. Don't let me go grimace chick. Do you want a newspaper? An old newspaper?
what?
2019, 1999.
2,190,
No,
29,299?
narito ko sa Mayo 11, 1990, 18, 18, 98.
No, not. I just got the grimace shake. Yes, it's so delicious. La, 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 la. Baby.
All out of cards.
Baby, I'm
Yes,
a
you are.
parrot.
I have all. I have received a card so a lot of my classmates. What is this? Can I show it to you?
Yeah.
Look what my classmate drew.
Wow, very nice.
I said, Kiara, you're the best sibling forever. Daw you sis?
Very nice.
Yeah. Next, this is the card. Ano na to galing? Oh,
Hey,
this is
Annika,
from
look at
Grace.
this. Toot,
Oh,
toot,
it's from Mika.
toot.
Micaela!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Annika, look at this. Look at this. No, 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 no. No.
I don't want to.
Wow, look at this, everybody. Hey, Annika, look at this.
I got. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Ah, so lucky.
You have to squish it.
Annika, look at this.
Do you want one? I have two.
No, Annika, I want grimace shake.
I don't have a grimace shake. Oh yes, I have the grimace shake that can make you. What that gun?
And guys, if you haven't heard of the grimace shake, it's a meme where everybody dies and
By the way, I saw your TikTok. I searched you on TikTok. I said Asher plays YouTube PT.
and then what did you see?
I actually comment you at the Cupid.
Oh yeah, I also sent it on YouTube. Watch it on YouTube because I deleted my TikTok.
All of your YouTube and it's really a lot. But my YouTube channel is only a few one. Just TikTok mini videos of my performance. That's it. I was going to. Overreacting emotional. This one is so fluffy. Look at this dog.
Yeah, yeah, Adi Clara. And
Yeah.
Adi Clara, I have, I, I had to delete my TikTok because my mom doesn't let me do TikTok.
Okay. By the way, I saw your dance.
You just drank the drink.
Hi, man.
Mel, stop it. We're screen recording. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, man.
Hello. Ate Kiara.
Yeah, I check your nap.
Hi,
Ate Kiara. We drank the grimace cake. I just got the grimace. This is so
I don't want to
delicious.
give you shake.
Yeah. Ate Kiara, look at Kuya Audrey. Yeah, the
That
grimace
tastes
cake.
so bad.
I know, right? The grimace.
Sure.
You know, there was a party.
Asher, I have something to say for you. I just have a green shake that I have a lot of green shake stuck in here. Do you want some? It tastes so good.
Wait. So you did this? No?
You have until 9 o'clock, guys.
I'll give you green.
We only have until
Just
9.
kidding.
We only have 9. Only until 9 o'clock. Hello. Oh my god.
Okay.
Hello.
By
My
the
new
way,
phone.
I saw your plushies.
What?
I watched the new plushies. You post a video that you said new plushies.
Yeah, did you watch it?
Yeah, I watch all of your videos.
Yeah. And then did you see the 1 hour special we made?
And then I watch you tour the house. You tour the Maydori Hotel, right?
Yeah.
After time now,
You-
9 o'clock. After that,
Yes. No, we have. Yeah, we only have. Yeah, we only have 40 minutes.
Okay, let's spend the time.
Yes. Hmm. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at my brother. Yeah, it's not funny. Let me shut. Okay, guys, so I got too mad. My God, my brother's always here to annoy me.
Sure. Yeah, we have
Yeah.
something to show. It's something to show to you.
Yeah, what is it? Rose and G2? They're
Do you
my
want one?
biggest fan. I'm their biggest fan.
What?
I'm
Do
their
you
biggest
want one?
fan.
One.
Yes! Lagot ka mamaya! Naman
After
oh.
choose a number, 6 or 9.
Number 9.
You got Rose.
Yay.
I have the cards. Just
Hey, Ate
to,
Sharon. Ate Sharon. Emoji battle?
Asher, I
Yeah.
have a lot of money. I have a lot of money.
Ate Sharon, emoji battle?
What's emoji battle? Oh, okay.
Choose an emoji. And who's the best emoji?
Okay.
My first emoji is... my tail.
This is my emoji.
Wow, you look pretty.
I just call it Messenger because I deleted the Messenger kids.
Wow, bakit?
It's
Why don't
already broken
why don't I have that emoji?
because it's on Messenger. Iba yung Messenger emojis. Iba yung emojis ng Messenger kids.
Okay. Ate Kiara, but do you have this?
Oh no, I don't have it. But I have this. Asher, I have a game.
Yeah.
Let's play fake or real. You have to just I play anything and you have to identify is it fake or real, okay?
Yeah.
Say fake if it's fake or real if I'm really there.
Okay.
Asher Matir.
I could
This
tell that it's fake. It's fake.
it's fake. It's so easy, right?
I know. A very easy game you should play in Messenger Kids.
Okay, wait, let me search another one.
she's so glitchy. You're glitching so much. Like, hello, I am Ate Kia.
Next, identify this. Don't look, Asher. Okay, 3 start. You're looking, so it's very easy, Asher. Okay, next one. Close your eyes. I can see you actually. Go. I'm at the party. Ah!
I'm so lucky.
Fake or real?
Fake.
Oh yeah, because I'm glitching at all.
If you were not glitching, I would be tricked.
Asher,
Yeah.
close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Like this. Ah, that's New York.
New York? You're not? You don't even live there. How can you travel there so fast? Fake.
I traveled there so fast. I just went out. I'm actually at New York, but I just went outside to see.
Fake.
Oh yes, you got it.
Wait, let me cut.
Okay. Asher, hurry up. It's already 8:57.
No, it's 8:52.
Oh, mine is late.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get more. Let me think of more. I want to another country. Actually, now it's already morning.
Okay.
Is
Wait,
fake or real?
real. I mean fake.
Okay, very good. So that's a nice one. Oh my god, I'm at the lantern.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Fake. Fake.
Yes, it's fake. I never even show it to you.
Your room is fake. Your room is fake.
Are you fake?
Yeah, you've been doing.
My room is fake. Okay, last
Excuse me.
one. No,
Excuse me. This is
second.
my room. My room.
Asher!
My room.
Stop, please stop. I'm on the fireworks! It's Happy New Year!
It's not even New Year yet.
Fake or real?
Fake. Hey, Adikara.
Last round! Close your eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off my cam. Okay, no, close your eyes. I can't see. Wait a minute. Why I miss a video call? I think I miss a video call. One is... Sorry, Asher.
Yeah.
You're looking. Yeah, it means that you don't have a score. You have minus. All of your answers are wrong now. Go. Stop. Close your eyes. I can see you. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Guess it. Is it fake or real? Open your eyes.
Real.
You're so good.
Adikara, why is your hair like that?
I didn't comb.
Wait, can I see your hair? I don't like the short hair. Long hair looks good for you.
What? I have a look here.
Yeah, long hair looks good more.
Who looks good on me? Short hair or long hair? Who looks good? What
Hey,
looks good on
Adikara,
me?
guys, if you wanna see, like, wait, right, guys, did I show this in the new plushie videos?
Yes.
What is it?
Ah,
What
ah, ah.
was his name?
I didn't really hear the name. I cut the video because it a long story.
Oh my gosh,
Ano
you what?
I watched the new plushies, but I stopped the video when it comes to the Queenie one that I give you the pillow.
Oh yeah,
One.
wait,
I
let me get it.
videos. I just watched TikTok videos.
You mean this one?
Oh yes, that one. That's what I gave. Good
I still,
job. You showed to them. Good job.
you still have, I still have it. Don't worry, I'm taking care of
Look,
it.
Asher!
What?
Asher, look!
Unbelievable. Is it also big?
It's just me.
It's okay. Yay! Mine is so big, like,
Then the girl and the boy.
why did you stop it in the, the bird queen,
I got bored a bit. Sorry if I hurt your feelings.
You bet. Okay, as a punishment, I'll let you watch it.
What?
Wait, let me represent. Wait, I'll show it in the TV. Yay. This is your punishment, Kiara.
What's your fun?
Yeah,
What's your
wait.
punishment?
What?
What's your punishment? Hurry up! The phone is already low bad.
Yeah, wait. On Friday, I will screen record this again. And then you know what's gonna happen? Before we play School Party Craft, before we play School Party Craft and the 1 hour special, I will tell you to make a quiz about this. So you better memorize everything.
No! Asher, no! It's not fair, Asher! That's a very, very, very bad punishment.
Yes, it is a very bad
No,
punishment.
Asher! Asher,
Memorize
I,
them.
no, I didn't watch it at all!
Yeah. On Friday, I will screen record this again and then we'll do another one at Kiara. On Friday, at Kiara, listen. On Friday, we will do another 1 hour special. And then after that, before we start our school party craft 1 hour special, you know what's gonna happen? I'll make you a quiz about these new plushies. Yay, baby.
What if I didn't memorize it?
If you don't
I will not
memorize it,
memorize it.
you have to you will not meet me on Halloween.
No! How can I memorize it? That's way too long!
What?
That's way too long. How can you memorize that? Actually, it's not a joke.
Fine, I'll give a consequence. If you are not memorizing it, on next Friday we will on the next Monday we will not call.
Sure.
Yes. Yes. If you don't memorize them on
Okay, so
Friday,
if you have done it, you will never ever call me.
no. If you don't memorize them, don't I will not answer your calls on Monday. I will call you back on next Friday. Please.
Oh well, that's good.
But you better memorize it if you wanna call me again on Monday.
You're not gonna forget that, Asher.
What?
Till Tuesday. You're not gonna forget that.
Yeah?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wow. I'm gonna. Oh, what if this Lola Mamits did it? Is gonna go home and we're not able to call.
On Friday?
Yes,
Asher,
this Friday.
Asher.
Yeah, wait. Okay, guys, so we're actually waiting for Kiara. And then I also have a very but I think we'll not, go. Okay,
Asher.
We have 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Is that your room?
No, my parents' room.
Okay, can I see?
Yeah, wait. Okay, guys, so we only have 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Yay!
Only 1 minute and 41 seconds. Bye bye. Then we'll have to end the call and then also the screen recorder. And then, 134, 133, 133.
If,
Right.
if
By the
ever,
way, you still have to memorize the plushies.
yay.
Yeah. You have to memorize the plushies. You have to memorize all the plushies. You have to memorize all of the plushies. And then after that you can. Okay, so we only have 1 minute and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and then we only have 1 minute and now 59, 57. Okay, so if you want, we can spend the 54 seconds on an emoji ban.
Tignan mo yung
What?
time natin.
Okay, so guys,
Tignan mo
okay, so now guys, we only have 35 seconds. And then, yeah, let's take a photo. Tell your friends to get ready. And then 3, 2, 1. Okay, only 24 and 23, 22, 21, 29, 18, 17.
Enter involved 11, 18, 65, 21. Answer. End the call.
Yeah, almost. And
Nice.
call 9, 8, 7,
No!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Ate Kiara. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And then bye, Ate Kiara. Bye.
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 Bye, Ate Kiara.
Okay, now we are done, guys, calling. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.